Hey, I'm up above the Dario Galeana neighborhood. I really wanted to get a cool overhead shot of the neighborhood, but this street continues to go up and I couldn't figure out where the best place to go is. So this is the best I can do, but there's some really nice houses here. So if you are in this neighborhood, it's kind of cool to explore. Anyways, I did a video about 15 months ago on this neighborhood, but a lot has changed in the last 15 months. So I thought it would be cool to do another go around of the neighborhood. Plus, it's May. People are starting to think about where they're going to stay for next year if they haven't already found a place. So a couple things. Number one, last year I did show the Dario Doce Condos, and they're complete. And we have friends that have a couple of the units, so I was going to give a tour of those. And also, there's a half dozen new and really good restaurants that have opened in this neighborhood just in the last probably 6-7 months. So I want to show those as well. So anyway, so we'll get started here in a second. Oh, one other thing, one of those restaurants, Motocita, we went to last night. I think it's called La Motocita's. Really cool place. It was their grand opening and an awesome atmosphere. They had closed down the road in front of the restaurant. A lot of people were there. They had some dancers and guys that did some sort of deal with machetes, and that was kind of cool. So I'll show a little bit of that video before we get started. But anyway, I'm going to start walking back down the hill. Here's some video of that, and we'll see you in front of Dario Doce. Okay, just inside Dario Doce Condominiums. Really nice exterior, very safe and secure on the inside. So let's take a walk around, give you the tour. Deep and refreshing pool. It's about 3 meters by 5 meters in size. And this is Dario Canela. It's a ground floor unit. 538 square feet. 538 square feet, which that's about 50 square meters in size. It's there's 2 buildings here. Each building is 6 units. Full size kitchen, nice couch. There's actually a pull-out bed underneath this couch. It's got a washer-dryer unit in here. High-speed internet over there. As mentioned, king-size bed, smart TV. You've got over here, you got double closet, double sinks, walk-in shower, built with Peroda, so it's quality work in here. Let's check out upstairs. Okay. Second floor, second unit. Same dimensions, very similar. But again, really, really nice quality built. It's got the bed underneath the couch again, king size bed. I mean, the cool thing about these condos are you're in a typical Mexican neighborhood. So if you want that experience, as mentioned, you've got a million restaurants to choose from. If you're staying a couple weeks, every night you can eat at a different restaurant, and you're less than a quarter mile from the beach. So 5-minute walk to Playa La Madera. There's the bus comes right out front every day, so you can get anywhere you want in town. And again, this is an up and coming area. So if you are looking for a new place to stay, or if you haven't found a place yet, then please check this place out. I'm at the end of a very popular street in this neighborhood. Right behind me is a new construction project going up. I believe it's either condos or 3 or 4 apartments. And then just past them is Letty's restaurant. Letty's moved here maybe 2 years more or less. Has, in my opinion, the best coconut shrimp. They opened around the same time as Erbo, another restaurant that has amazing breakfasts. And before those two came here 2 years ago, there was really only 2 restaurants that people knew about. Vivan Las Pizzas, really like that place, and Olga's restaurant, which is another place that's really popular with the tourists. But over the last year, we've had, I mentioned La Motocita, El Duque Fish and Chips, which they opened right during this past high season and like opened up to great fanfare. Everybody loves their fish and chips, super popular. If you are here right now, then you definitely should support them because it is our low season. All of these restaurants, really, if you're here or you visit during the off season, please support these restaurants because it's nice of them to stay open for those of us that are left behind. There's another place on, and El Duque is on this street. Right across the street from Letty's is a brand new restaurant called Parro's Pizza. We haven't even had an opportunity to try them out. And right next door is a hamburger grill place. Sort of catty corner to them is Salvador's restaurant. And Salvador's was on Adelitas. Casanova's restaurant is now where Salvador's Grill was located. Now Salvador's is in this neighborhood. And then one street over is El Perla Negra, which was the restaurant that was in La Ceiba before. So a lot of restaurants have moved here and a few new restaurants have opened in this neighborhood. So it's definitely becoming kind of the new place for developments and for restaurants. It's a really great neighborhood. So I'm going to show a few more places before we finish up. Okay, back out in front of Dario Doce Condominiums. Oh, one other place that I forgot to mention, Baxa Cafe or Basa Cafe. I'm not sure how you say it, but it's a really nice looking, trendy cafe, breakfast place, and it's here in the neighborhood too. So again, if you're in the area, it's worth a visit. Hopefully I covered most of the things. I know, again, it's May. There's not a lot of tourists here right now, but please consider a visit to this neighborhood. Consider staying here if you don't have a place to stay. And hopefully we'll see you, if not this summer, we see you back in the fall when the extraneros return. All right, thanks a lot. Take care.